Releasing what isn't yours to carry, a grounding practice for emotional overload. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Let your body arrive where it is without needing to adjust or improve anything. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. There's nothing you need to solve in this moment. Imagine that you're standing on a quiet path. The ground beneath you is steady and supportive. You don't need to know where the path leads, only that for now you are safe where you stand. As you continue breathing, notice if you're carrying anything with you, not just physically, but emotionally. A concern, a responsibility, a pressure that feels heavier than it needs to be. Gently ask yourself, is this truly mine to carry right now? Some things belong to this moment, and some things, even important ones, were never meant to be held all at once. If what you're holding feels outside your reach to change or control, imagine placing it beside the path. You're not abandoning it. You're not ignoring it. You are simply giving yourself permission to set it down for a while. Notice how your body responds as the weight leaves your hands. Your shoulders may soften. Your breath may deepen, even slightly. Let the ground continue to support you. Bring your attention back to what is yours to carry in this moment. Your breath, the steady rhythm of your body, the quiet awareness that you are here and that is enough. If you notice the urge to pick the weight back up, imagine gently reminding yourself, I can return to this later. Right now, I am allowed to rest. Picture yourself taking one slow step forward on the path, lighter than before. You don't need to rush. You don't need certainty. Just the willingness to continue without carrying what isn't yours. Before you return to the rest of your day, let a few gentle affirmations settle in, only taking in what feels supportive. I am allowed to set down what is not mine to carry. I can care deeply without holding everything. In this moment, I choose steadiness over struggle. My breath is enough to anchor me. I do not need certainty to be at ease. I move forward with what is mine and leave the rest behind. When the weight returns, I can return to this place. As this practice comes to a close, remember, peace doesn't come from holding everything together. It comes from knowing what can be held and what can be set down. Take this sense of lightness with you into the rest of your day and return to it whenever the weight begins to build again. And when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back and carry only what supports you.